Hi, I'm Dave for General Equipment Company, and today, in this segment, we'll show you how to properly replace an auger blade on a 2350 BOR-MAX series auger. The reasons you would normally work on these components are the following. The auger blade is worn beyond useful service life, causing the auger to dig ineffectively. This may mean the outside edge of the blade is worn even with the outside edge of the boring head, and/or some of the blade teeth are worn away. Looking at it from a maintenance cycle perspective, this is a non-scheduled repair. The tools or gear you will need are the following: a pair of safety glasses, 2 7/16" wrenches. An adjustable wrench or socket wrench and socket can also be used as alternatives. Depending on the diameter of the auger, the parts you will need are one of the following: a 4, 6, 8, 10, or 12-inch diameter auger blade. If required, you may also need the following: a 1/4 inch, 20 UNC, 3/4 inch hex cap screw or hex lock nut. The following steps are to be used on 4 through 12-inch diameter augers. 2 and 3-inch diameter augers do not have blades. Instead, the auger screw bit supplies the overall digging action for these size augers. First, using the 7/16" wrenches, remove the cap screws and lock nuts holding the blade to the auger boring head. Next, remove any accumulated dirt and debris from the blade mounting area. When ready, install the new blade on the bottom surface of the boring head with the beveled side of the blade teeth facing up. From there, align the holes and insert the cap screws with the threads pointing up toward the top end of the auger. Finally, secure the blade and cap screws with the lock nuts and tighten firmly. That does it for this segment. Detailed safety instructions and information about what was covered is in the operator manual for the 242H or 262H Epic Series hole digger that came with that machine, or in a copy of the manual located on our website at generalequip.com. If you have questions or need further assistance, please feel free to give us a call at 800-533-0524 or email us at support@generalequip.com. We are here to make you successful and will be glad to help you in any way possible.